These guys try to wipe down their solar panels. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that scratched the glass and not done really good. Got bird poop all right there. It's going to cause a lot of problems. We're going to hit the skylights, and then we're going to put our protectant on these so these last a lot longer, and you'll see how nice they are when we're done. Okay, we are done with this job here. Nice and clean, as you guys can see. Our protectant is on here now. I went ahead, did the skylights. Skylights are nice and clean now, and they look like glass. As you can see, right in this spot, still drying up. As soon as it dries up, it'll be nice and clean. Look exactly like this. Beautiful. See the reflection off the trees. Gonna keep the dust off a lot longer. And also these cells are gonna be super clean and doing their job like they should be doing. Alright guys, thanks for watching our videos. Catch you guys on the next video. See you guys. Peace.